Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Michelle, and on my channel I upload new videos about luxury, planning, and travel. So if those are some things that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel down below and also hitting that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos every single week. So in today's video, I'll be sharing what fits inside the Louis Vuitton Petite Noe. And note that I did order an organizer for this bag, but that will be a separate what's inside my bag video on its own when that comes in. But anyways, while we wait for that to come in, which should be soon, hopefully, I did have a couple of different pieces here that I wanted to go ahead and share with you to see if they do fit inside the Louis Vuitton Petite Noe. So I did want to start off by mentioning that I did read a little bit about the history of the Louis Vuitton Noe bag, and it's actually really quite interesting. So this bag wasn't actually made for women's personal use, but the original Noe was meant to hold 5 bottles of champagne, 4 bottles like standing up and then one upside down. And the top cinched closed so that the bottles wouldn't rattle around and break. So I thought that was really interesting. And I think that really makes sense with this style of handbag because the bottom has reinforced leather, and it's actually really perfect for carrying heavy objects like 5 bottles of champagne. And also the strap of this bag is super comfortable, which also makes sense when carrying a heavy load like 5 bottles of champagne, right? So anyways, this one is the Petite Noe, and it's actually one size smaller than the Noe bag. And as far as dimensions go, this particular bag measures 9.8 by 10.6 by 7.9 inches right over here. And it's actually a very spacious medium-sized tote bag, and that's why I love it so much, because it can actually carry a lot of different things. As you can see inside, it's actually a black hole or brown hole and that's why I'm getting an organizer for it. But I'm making this video for you just in case you're not looking to get an organizer and would like to know what's inside, what can fit inside the Louis Vuitton Petite Noe. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. So I usually have this in an easy slide knot, but I went ahead and took it out already so that I could easily put things inside and outside of my bag. But yeah, so here is the inside. Again, it's a black hole, except for this one little D-ring right over here, which you could easily put your key pouch here if you'd like. So that's actually what I usually do in case. So it's like really easy to find my key pouch. But the main reason why I actually ordered this bag is because I thought it would be big enough to go ahead and carry my desk agenda cover. And so let me go ahead and show you how that fits. So here is how it fits. It's actually a perfect fit side to side with my desk agenda cover. And I usually also carry my desk agenda cover too in its dust cover so that it doesn't get damaged on the corners. So here's that. And yeah, as you can see, it is a perfect fit side to side. And you can also cinch the bag as usual, as per normal. And also this can also fit standing up if you wanted to. But it's actually like a perfect fit. So you would probably see it when you cinch your bag closed, unless you kind of angle it downwards. So that's how that fits inside there. Another thing that I wanted to show is that like all of the normal essentials like a long wallet can fit inside the Petite Noe, as well as the mini pochette that also can fit, and also a key holder that can also fit, and a lot of other things can also fit inside here too. So this is what I would normally carry on a daily basis, as you can see, along with my planner. And like there's still plenty of space inside of this bag. So that's honestly why I've been thinking that it's pretty amazing, because I can carry a lot of things, and even with my planner it's a little bit heavy. So with the strap it's super comfortable to carry around all of this stuff. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you a couple of other different things that can fit inside the Petite Noe. And I'm actually going to take this one out so you can see. So here I do have my niece mini, so in case you did want to travel with this bag and you wanted to keep your niece mini close, this one can fit inside the bag, but it does take up quite a lot of space inside the bag, but it does fit inside, inside either horizontally or vertically, as you can see here. So that does fit inside the bag. Something else I wanted to show you was the toiletry pouch 26. This one is quite long, but this one too, it does fit perfectly horizontally, not vertically, but horizontally it does fit perfectly. And you can also cinch your bag close perfectly. So I mean, I think if you really wanted to, like, this would be a really great divider for the bag because it does fit perfectly. And it's a really great catch-all piece too, so that not everything is just like everywhere inside the bag. So yeah, I do have a couple of random things in here. I usually use it right now to store my electronics, but yeah, look, it's a perfect fit from side to side. So I think it would be like a really great organizer if you wanted to like separate your stuff in the bag, like so. So I did have 3 more things I wanted to show you, and here is my Etui Voyage, and then this one carries a 13-inch laptop. So my MacBook Pro is in here, and as you can see, this one, it does fit from side to side, but it does not fit vertically. So people would be able to see the laptop when you're carrying it around in this bag, but you wouldn't be able to cinch it closed all the way. But I mean, you can cinch it closed so that it's not like falling all over the place. But if this is something that you wanted to, or if you wanted to see if you could carry it in your bag, here's your answer. It can fit a laptop, but it really doesn't fit all the way. And then, so if you do have an iPad, I think this one is an iPad Air 2, I think. I don't remember, but it's really old. But this one is a perfect fit inside of the Petite Noe, from side to side. There's actually still some space here too. And also you can fit it vertically up and down. But yeah, it also fits perfectly side to side. And then, if you're wondering, a book can also fit inside here. So again, this one is also a really great travel bag. So sometimes I'll bring a book with me. And a book, this one is Atomic Habits by James Clear. It's a really good book so far. And this one fits side by side as well, and still leaves so much more space inside of the bag. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Again, this is a medium-sized tote bag, and honestly, it's a really great bag. If you haven't yet watched my 5 reasons why I'm loving the Petite Noe, I'll go ahead and link it right over here and also down below for you to go ahead and check out. But yeah, this is the Petite Noe. It's honestly such a great bag, and I'm going to be getting an organizer for it very soon. I saw that it is finally had been shipped from Korea, so excited for that. And yeah, I'll come out with another what's inside my bag video, because this one I just wanted to go ahead and show you what does fit inside the Petite Noe, and then what I will be carrying inside my Petite Noe. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!